Mark.
You gonna wait for it?
All right, this is gonna be a quick update, probably 60 seconds or less. A whole lot hasn't changed since last vlog, but I'm gonna show you all the things that are new. They've got a few more footings that they need to pour, and then next week, Monday, they're gonna start putting the steel up for the second phase of the new building. These are a couple of the last footings to be put in before they start putting up the steel next week. They've also removed the last remnants of the old service drive. It's completely gone, and we're going to be building a whole new 2-lane service drive. That's the end of the vlog.